Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called Lower4. So what's the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So first we just type your sudo su, enter our password, then later we just type your net discord minus act is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target mission is here. Now I just type it as nmap minus t4 minus a on aggressive scan and enter our targeted IP address is 192.168.18.119. This is our targeted mission. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So it's take a little bit lengthy time process to present all these nmap results. So let's wait for this as a nmap results. Now let me I just put here as everything clear. So it's take a lengthy time process. We would like to look here. 26 seconds is remaining. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with port 80, it is with Apache server, another one is available with 113, it is an ident. So we prefer not to say what is that. And I have seen here in the ident as a Lucifer is auth owner. Okay, so we have got it here as a Lucifer as somewhat as a reference. So we would like to walk to your targeted IP address 192.168.18.119. So this is an Apache server. So we would like to look the pesos. In the pesos, we didn't get any useful information. So we just close this. So just copy this one. Come back here. Let's come back here. We just type it as directory buster. Then let's just paste it here. Now, we would like to look here in the directory buster. So what is there is nothing else as important we have got it here. Now, when we would like to look here as in the port we have scanned here as username is as a Lucifer. We have already know this one. So let's I would like to go with as a nicto minus h. Then you just enter your target IP address is 192.168.18.119. allowed for HTTP method a get, post, and options for head. That's it. Now we already know this as a username is as a Lucifer. Let's just paste this. Password is I would like to put as a rocky.txt. User share as word list. Then put here as a rocky.txt. That's it. Then you just put here as sh 192.168.18.119. Then what else we just need to put here as we just put here as minus I. So in the nicto we didn't get any useful information, so we just also leave a hopes here. That's it. Now let's come back here. We just type here as I. Let's I just put here as 192.168.18.119. Now we would like to look here. Let's try to crack now the password. Once we have cracked these passwords, then we would like to go into the So maybe it will take 2 to 3 minutes to crack this password. We would like to wait until for that. Then later we would like to continue. So this CTF is very quite easy. So before we have done only the beginning one as a lower CTF. Now this is for as an upgraded one. We would like to try to look this. So maybe in the next 1 minute, I hope we can get the right password. We can try this. So I have got it here as the right password right now. Let's come back here. You just type here as such. The username is, as we already have this a Lucifer, and enter our target. Type here as 192.168.18.119 and it asks a permission. You just type yes. And then let's come back here. Password is 789456123. So it's like quite easy password or what else you have put. So we have successfully cracked here. You just type plus minus l, you just type it as cat user.txt. We have find the user.txt. Now what we would like to look here again. Now we have identified here everything. So just type here as sudo minus f. So there is like user bin multi-tail. So what is a multi-tail? We prefer not to say. So we just utilize here as a root. For that, you just type here as I would like to open as a notepad. You just type here as sudo as there is no password also. So you just need to copy this one, copy, come back. Let's just paste it here as a multi-tail. Then I want to get from a root. Then so in the root also dot sh. Then you just put here as id underscore rsa. You just copy this one. Now let's just paste here. I have got here as a private key. Now just entirely I just copy this one. Now come back here. You just open new tab. Then let's just paste here for a reference. And you just control X, Control Z. So I have seen this, the password. So you can also use minus L is a parameter to execute the command, but you cannot able to start as a bash. So for that, to utilize this one, either you can utilize by a root this SSH key, otherwise this RFC key, otherwise you can utilize to get as a simple as a bin bash. That's it. So we would like to try here as a bin bash minus p. No, it not work out here. Uh, it's not at work out here as simple as it is. So we just need to write here as a simple command as same as it is. So you just copy this one, come back. Let's just paste here as multi-type minus f. Now you just need to put here as chmod. Now u plus s. Now just put here as a bin bash. Once you have done this, so you just entirely just copy this one, just paste it. Now multi-tail for help, press 1. So it will ask you just put here as a it's as f1. No, it's screen blinking. So this is we prefer not to say. Sudo user bin multicar minus l chmod user plus a bin bash. So we have done this. So we just try the last one. You just type it as a bin a bash minus p. So I have got directly now as a root. Now I just type here as who am I? We are in the root. You just type here as cd as a root, ls minus l. We have came here as a root. Now I just type, let me just type it as clear. Now I just type this minus L, just type it as cat a root.txt. So we have find a root flag also. That's it. So it's a simple way to perform this work. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.